How easy is it to return your jack stands to Harbor Freight? I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley.
What's going on, everybody? I have a couple of 3-ton jack stands that I got from Harbor Freight a while ago. If you don't know, they recalled a bunch of their jack stands because they were failing. Now, this particular set is not on that list. This is part number 38846. However, this is on a list that they said, even though it's not recalled, you can take it back and get a full refund for store credit. So that's what I'm going to do now. Take these to Harbor Freight and I'll let you know if there's any issues, if it's quick and easy. But yeah, I don't really trust these. I'm going to take them back and get a different set from somewhere else. I'm pulling up to my local Harbor Freight. Let's go in and see if we can get credit for these.
So you have the option of a $25 cash or $30 store credit. You said store credit?
Store credit. Was able to get store credit with no problem, quick and easy.
These are the jack stands that I purchased to replace the ones that I've taken back. Instead of 3-ton, these are 6 tons. I have one pair right here and another pair in a box that I haven't opened yet. I purchased these jack stands from AutoZone. They're more expensive than the ones from Harbor Freight. These are $89.99 a pair. I got 2 sets. They were running a promotion, 15% off with free shipping, so I ordered these and got them delivered to my house. I went ahead and used a Harbor Freight gift card to buy some other smaller tools. One of those things was a set of jack stand pads. I've already had this set on an old jack stand, so I just reused them here. I got a new set to go on the ones here. I really like these because it prevents the jack stand from scratching up your frame. It's also supposed to be slip resistant. It's made of a rubber material. I decided to upgrade from 3-ton jacks to 6-ton jacks, and these look cool and they match the cart. So these are what I'm going with. The process of taking the old jack stands back to Harbor Freight was super simple. They didn't give me any issues. I didn't need a receipt. They went ahead and offered me cash or a little more if I took store credit, so I took the store credit. Super easy process, so if you have a set of those jack stands, you may want to consider returning them to the store. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.